Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Welcome to Black Friday week. We have got a lot to talk about. I am actually doing my Candle Day wish list video today. Check it out. I got my Candle Day wish list here because it's coming up a lot quicker than we realize. Candle Day starts December 6th, which is literally next Friday. Not this Friday, which is Black Friday. Next Friday is Candle Day. So we got to start getting ready now because there's so much happening. Oh my gosh. I got my tea this morning. Thank you so much to everyone who came to my live last night. We had so much fun. I really enjoyed talking about all of the stores from the past, Kmart, the Spiegel catalog. Thank you, Kimball, for bringing that up. But it was a lot of fun. So today I've just kind of been getting stuff ready. I got some mail. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna do a panoramic view here. Look at what came in the mail. Those are the giant Elton John candles. That video is coming this week. We have new Kringle. I've got a huge Goose Creek haul. I've got a giant Lush haul. Lenny is here. He's actually hiking with his son today. So I wanted to get some videos in. So, oh my gosh, Candle Day, you guys. Candle Day, big day. We do not know the price yet. My guess is it will be $8.95 or $9.95. There's all these like rumors going around that it could be $8.95. That would be amazing. I feel like Bath and Body Works needs to give us a good Candle Day price. I would love to see $8.95. So, what do you need to do now to start getting ready for Candle Day? You need to create a Candle Day wish list. So, this is mine. I'm going to show you how to do this. I just went into Canva and created this. They have all these templates. So, you're going to get a list ready. You can handwrite it if you want. I like to make it pretty. I like put little decorations on it. I carry this with me in the store. So, the next thing you're going to want to do is go to Tessa's blog, Life Inside the Page, because she has got the most up-to-date, let me go to Candle Day. There's a little tab on top that says Candle Day. You're going to go to her Candle Day blog. I'll put the link below to Life Inside the Page. Like I said, she's got probably the most accurate predictions for Candle Day. Now, you never know. Sets could get pulled, they could add more stuff, but this is going to give you a chance to try and figure out what you want, because this is going to get pricey. You get into 50 candles, and some people buy 50 candles on Candle Day. 50 times even $8.95. Let me see. 50 times, this is going to be pricey. That's going to be like $450. So people spend a lot of money on Candle Day. It doesn't matter what your budget is. If you can only afford one candle, get one candle. If you like to buy candles to stock up for the entire year, go ahead and do that. There's no wrong answer. So, first thing you're going to want to do is set your budget for Candle Day. I always recommend going with the $9.95 price point, and then if by some chance we're at $8.95, you got some extra money to play with. Save it for Body Care Day, use it on Candle Day. But I like to go, I actually round it up to $10. So if your budget is $50, you get 5 candles. If your budget is $150, you get 15 candles. That's the easiest way to do it, because then you don't have to do a lot of extra math. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to make a list of the current collection candles that you want. I'm super lucky because I actually got the majority of the current collection already done. Vanilla Eggnog is one that I want a backup of. I gotta say, I love my Vanilla Eggnog. We haven't talked about this one in a long time because I reviewed it early. It's creamy vanilla, cinnamon stick, and a dash of nutmeg. It does smell a lot like the butter rum eggnog. It's a little bit different, but let me tell you, it's beautiful. I love the packaging. This is a quality eggnog. So, if eggnog is your thing, you might want to stock up on a couple of eggnogs. However, I'm going to say this because we've got Black Friday coming up this weekend. Now, candles are going to be buy three, get three, which for the $24 candles, that's going to come in at like $12. A lot of people aren't going to care about that extra $2 because they want vanilla eggnog and they're going to buy it on Black Friday. They're just going to do it. So keep an eye on your stock. Look online. Kind of, you know how they do trending. Look at your store. I would go to your store like this week while it's a little bit quieter. Actually, it's not going to be quiet any day this week, but today or tomorrow, and figure out like how many vanilla eggnogs does your store have setting out. They might be bringing more out, but you can always kind of peruse the store a little bit and see what maybe might be a little bit low in stock. Fall candles. Don't forget to add your fall candles to the list. A lot of times, and I said this earlier, fall candles may be sold out by Candle Day. Black Friday is going to sell a lot of stock. So a lot of the fall candles could just blow out during Black Friday. We don't know. So if you see any fall candles, add them to your list. So my current collection includes the bow candles. My prediction is they're going to include the bow candles as part of the Candle Day collection, if they're available. Because you know what? They're going to be pushing these on Black Friday. They're going to be $20 on Black Friday. A lot of people are going to want to get them these gifts, get them early. A lot of people, again, won't really care about the price. This is the perfect Christmas. I went 'tis the season and the perfect Christmas. Winter candy apple didn't thrill me. These bows you can put on basically any candle, and they do look really nice. You can swap them out. Check it out. I think they look good on this collection, actually. This is the Sugar Snickerdoodle. So keep that in mind when you are making your wish list. The other candle that I'm really curious about is this globe candle back here. That's under the Christmas tree. I would be shocked if they put that in Candle Day. To me, that's more of a home decor piece. It's, how much was this thing? I think it was $59. Let me see here. No, $49. It was $69 for Halloween, but it was a little bit more intricate. But if these go on sale for Candle Day, gone. Like microsecond. Absolutely gone. I think these are going to go on Black Friday because if it's buy one, buy three, get three, they're going to be $25. Those are going to be out of here. People are going to be buying those. We may have another candle sale before Candle Day too. We don't know that. Like, we don't know if Bath and Body Works is going to do something like on Saturday or Sunday, and then like into Cyber Monday. There might be some other online candle sale going on that we don't know about that's going to deplete the stock of candles before Candle Day. So keep that in mind. Also, online right now, they have literally just added a collection of Candle Day candles, which is really interesting to me. So the other day when I went in the store, I saw the soap. I'm like, pineapple mango. I think that was the one. I'm like, wow, they're really setting these things early. And then I go online and they've got balsam firewood, lavender vanilla, hot butter and rum, fresh sheets. I was like, what? Like, these are on like Tessa's Candle Day list. What's the other one? Oh, what eucalyptus and sage. Those are online exclusives. By the way, mark these on your page. So I've got bow, globe, online exclusives. So you kind of know what's going on here. But I was like, whoa, what's happening, you guys? We got Candle Day candles showing up before Black Friday. That is going to be an interesting conundrum here, because a lot of people, like I said, aren't going to care. They want hot butter and rum now. I know I'm going to get that one now. They don't want to risk it being sold out. So again, they're going to be shopping those now. So you can actually use your list for Black Friday and Candle Day, because there might be something you want a little bit early. Other ones on my current collection list. I have vanilla eggnog, which I need a backup of. Hot cocoa and cream. I always get a second one. Marshmallow fireside. I love year round. And then crushed candy cane. And that's pretty much it for the current collection. I have a lot of candles. I do not need to shop Christmas again. Plus, I've got every other company. I've got Elton John. I've got Goose Creek. I've got Kringle. I'm good on candles. Feliz Navidad is definitely one that I think a lot of people are going to stock up on. What did I have here? Holiday. Don't forget about Holiday. I was smelling this yesterday. I'm like, I got to review Holiday. I'm going to get to reviewing candles too because we got a lot going into Candle Day. So anyway, the next column that you're going to want to do is your top new. Now, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I have 34 candles on my list. I usually go for the 40 range. That's what I'm hoping to do. I might cut some out. I might add some. I usually do some wild card slots because you know something's going to show up that you don't know about, especially as an online exclusive. And you go, oh my gosh, I did not know about this. I have to get it because we don't know about the online ones yet. But like I said, go to Tessa's blog, Life Inside the Page, and you can start looking at the list because we really need to see this list in advance in order for us to start making like good purchasing decisions. So here's the ones I want. I want Sugar Plum Fairy, Vanilla Balsam, that's a favorite of mine, Mary Mimosa, Cranberry Parabellini, I don't like, but every year I get it just to see if I maybe like it this year. It's in the set. I want these sets. Fresh cinnamon rolls, Christmas cider. Oh my gosh, Christmas cider is like chewy cinnamon candy. It's wonderful. Iced winter balsam, midnight snow, sugar cookie. That's a gourmand one that we're getting. Sugar cookie. I want to get watermelon lemonade. I always get a watermelon lemonade during semi-annual sale. Cherry blossom pound cake. One of my favorites from this past year. I want to see the new packaging. Cranberry pomegranate, snowflakes and citrus, caramel and vanilla. That sounds amazing. Evergreen and fir. Now, I'm kind of curious what the packaging is going to look like on these. I'm like everything is kind of up in the air right now. Black tie, that comes out every year. Black cherry merlot, peach bellini, fresh brewed coffee. Someone asked about Paris Cafe. You'd think they would do Paris Cafe with Emily in Paris. I'm so shocked. This should have been part of the Emily in Paris collection with a body care, mind you. No. But fresh brewed coffee, actually, Lenny and my husband love fresh brewed coffee because it's just plain coffee. Limoncello, that's going to be a hot one this year. Let's see, Palo Santo and fresh orange. I like the fresh orange one. I just realized I have black cherry merlot on here twice, which means that I can update my list and slot in another one. I always love that. It's like, oh, I can do another one. So that's what we know so far. Like I said, Tess is going to have the most updated list. If you go on Instagram and kind of just search around on Candle Day, you'll start seeing people post. Chris, This Guy Shops, is going to have a lot of the early information because he's in Columbus, Ohio, where the Tess store is up. They'll start, seeing stuff a lot earlier. Now, when do they set Candle Day? That's a big question that a lot of people ask me. A lot of times they will set Candle Day the day before, which is going to be December 5th. So you could probably go to your store, look around, see what's available, and make your Candle Day list off of that too. So that's another way of making a Candle Day list. But you don't want to wait until day of to start thinking about Candle Day. I'll do a huge Candle Day, like tips and tricks, how to shop. It's a huge once-a-year event. It's so much fun. Also, look what I'm wearing. Check it out. Candle Day 2024 Bon Leo. Lenny and I did create a Candle Day t-shirt. If you order this now, it should be here in time for Candle Day. And if you use the code LIGHT, you get 10% off on our merch site. I know already got one of these. A couple other people got them. I'm going to wear my Candle Day t-shirt on Candle Day. It's like our own little Candle Day collection. So get your t-shirts, make your Candle Day wish list, and I will be here literally every day talking about everything leading up. Because, a lot of times you'll get like a last minute change. Nothing's official until Bath & Body Works announces it, the price, the candles, but it's always fun to kind of speculate. And like I said, I know a lot of you are kind of interested in like, what's coming? You want to make your list because that's going to help you shop Black Friday a little bit better. Big takeaways here on Candle Day. Number one, set your budget because the budget's going to like dictate everything that happens with Candle Day in terms of what you can get. Make your wish list. Do this now because then you can kind of check stuff off if you happen to buy something during Black Friday, like you really, really, really want that hot buttered rum and you don't want to wait on it. You can cross it off your list and you won't have to buy it on Candle Day. I know it's early, but it's not early. That's the thing. It's going to sneak up on us really, really fast. It's going to be a super fun event. Hit the subscribe button. Tune into my channel because I will have all of the Candle Day news as it comes in. We're going to have so much fun for the holiday season. Anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, who is excited? I am. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.